Creativity, culture, and innovation came together at DPMI's grand event, Thematic Tapestry, weaving stories through themed decor. Held on 28 March 2025, this competition showcased the artistic brilliance of our hotel management students as they crafted stunning theme-based decors paired with regional cuisines. The event featured 7 mesmerizing themes: Dastani Delhi, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Japanese Temple, Kedarnath Temple Uttarakhand, 7 Sisters of India, West Bengal, and Vineyard, each narrating a unique story through decor and flavors. We had the honor of hosting Miss Sangeeta Ratra, Director, HR Training, Le Meridian, New Delhi. Ma'am shared her valuable industry insights, guiding students on the importance of creativity and precision in hospitality. She emphasized how attention to detail and cultural representation play a crucial role in the hospitality industry.
When you do things from your heart, even if it is the smallest thing, that can make a difference in the life of the guest, in the life of the person who is connecting with you. So how you present yourself, what you do, makes a difference. You are future hoteliers. Yes, we talked about creativity, we talked about innovation, but more than anything else, what is important for a hotelier is to connect with people.
Along with Miss Ratra, we were privileged to have Mr. Prateek Srivastava, Manager, Training, Radisson Blu, Noida, Mr. Kush Kala, Assistant, Housekeeping Manager, Radisson Blu, Noida, who shared their expert perspectives. Mr. Prateek Srivastava highlighted the significance of training and adaptability in the hospitality sector, inspiring students to continuously refine their skills.
Hospitality is something which AI can never take, because this is the people touch, people connection, and what you can do for other people, no AI software or no AI engine can ever do. So be rest assured that the career path you have chosen is one of the best. Now coming to the current industry standards, there's a lot of competition in the market. So there are a lot of brands like this Marriott, this Intercontinental, this Accor, there is RNG. In this competing times, the demand for excellent operational excellence has become main criteria. So आप लोगों से ये expectation होती है कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छा level of service and level of hospitality deliver करें जो आप लोग यहाँ पे सीखोगे, and just find your passion, find something which you connect with, and find something which motivates you. Like for example, someone wants to be a chef, go into it, deep dive into it, learn more about it, and be the best in your area.
Mr. Kush Kala shed light on the evolving role of front office operations and the importance of guest relations in shaping exceptional hospitality experiences. Ms. Poonam Bacheti, MD DPMI, appreciated the students' efforts and execution, encouraging them to remember the insightful words shared by our esteemed guests. She urged students to hold on to these learnings and use them as stepping stones in their professional journey. The event was a true reflection of DPMI's commitment to experiential learning, bridging academics with real-world hospitality practices. Our esteemed guests praised the students for their meticulous execution, cultural representation, and innovative concepts. More than just a competition, Thematic Tapestry was a celebration of heritage, craftsmanship, and hospitality, leaving everyone mesmerized by an unforgettable visual and culinary experience.